Have you ever imagined living on Mars? What if animals could talk? What if you suddenly became the president of your country? The idea may sound impossible or unlikely, but they are perfect example of a grammar structure called conditional sentence type 2. Today, we are not going to learn a grammar through ordinary example like if I had money. If I had money, I would buy a car. Instead, we will explore imaginary world, alternative realities, and unreal situations to master conditional sentence type 2 in a memorable way. By the end of this video, you will understand the structure, use, and use of the conditional sentence type 2. Let's begin. Conditional sentence type 2 is used to talk about situations that are unreal, imaginary, hypothetical, unlikely to happen in the present or future. In other words, we use it when reality is different from our imagination. Look at this simple. If humans lived underwater, they would build city beneath the ocean. Do humans live underwater? No. Therefore, this is an unreal situation. This is why we use conditional sentence type 2. The basic formula is positive if plus subject plus past simple subject plus would plus base verb. Example: if dragon excited would study them. Negative sentence: if plus subject plus did not plus base verb. Subject plus would not plus base verb. Example: if people did not depend on electric, modern life would be very different. Interrogative sentence: would plus subject plus base verb plus if plus subject plus past simple question mark. Example: would you travel to another galaxy if space tourism were affordable? Why do we use the past tense? This is one of the misunderstood part of English grammar. Many learners ask, why do we use the past tense when talking about the present or future? The answer is simple. The past tense here does not indicate past time. Instead, it indicates distance from reality. For example, if I had wings, I would fly around the world. The word had does not mean the past. It simply shows the situation unreal. Let's imagine a world where ordinary rules no longer exist. Scenario 1. Talking animal. Imagine every animal could speak English. We could say if cats could talk, they would probably complain about human. Scenario 2. A city in the clouds. Imagine a floating city above the earth. If city floating in the sky, transportation would be completely different. There is a famous rule many learned overlook. When using the verb to be in conditional type 2, formal English often use were for all subjects. Example: if I were, uh, uh, I'm sorry. Formal English often use were for a subject, for all subjects. Example: if I were an astronaut, I would explore distant planets. Although was sometimes here in casual speech, were is considered more formal and grammatical traditional. Advanced various conditional type 2 is not limited to would. You can also use cold, might, salt, and others. Conditional type Conditional type 2 is not only for imagination. People use it every day to get advice, discuss possible, express dream, solve problem. Uh, Today we learned the conditional sentence type 2 is used for unreal situation, imaginary scenario, hypothetical idea, dream, and possible. The key formula is if plus past simple would plus base verb. Remember, we use conditional type 2 when reality and imagination are different. The more the more creatively you think, the more natural you will use this structure. So here is the final question for you. If you could change one thing about the world, what would you change and why? Write your answer in the comment below using conditional sentence type 2. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other English learners. Thank you for watching and see you in the next English Advance.